Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1014 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Milk Makeup Kush Lip Glaze. So I got this in the shade Chronic, which I believe is just clear, but this is the product that I chose for my November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. So if you have not seen my unboxing of that yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I actually just found out today that the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, the $50 version, is ending next month. So I'm kind of not that bummed about that though, because it's going to be saving me $50 a month, and the box never was all that amazing. For all of the times that I got it, it never really blew me away and really impressed me, because I just got so many repeated types of products and products that I didn't want. So I think I'm okay with this change. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Ipsy did say that they added a every 3-month upgrade option. So it's very similar to BoxyCharm, where you can upgrade to the Boxy Luxe 4 times a year. You're going to be able to do that same thing with Ipsy. You can upgrade your Glam Bag Plus 4 times a year. So I already went ahead and signed up for that. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you signed up for that as well. It sounded fun to me because you'll also be able to choose 3 of the products in that, and I have been really happy with the new customizable Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. But so, getting back to today's product, I am excited to see Milk Makeup in Ipsy, because Milk Makeup is a brand that I had been wanting to try out for a long time, and now through BoxyCharm and Ipsy I have been able to try out a few products, but I'm still really excited to try out more. Also, I love hydrating lip products. You can probably tell that my lips are already, per usual, dry. And this is supposed to be high shine. I love that. Non-sticky, hydrating. It has hemp-derived cannabis oil and avocado and sage and peppermint oil and mango seed butter, cocoa butter. Oh my gosh, this just has all those amazing things in it. And it seems pretty big. It's a nice size. The retail value on this is $18. And I like that it's just that squeezy tube applicator. I can squeeze it. It's really hard to squeeze to get that product going, but this applicator, it reminds me of like an eye cream because it's a cooling applicator, which is really nice on the lips. I've never applied a lip product quite like this. And I do notice a little minty flavor, a little minty kind of cooling sensation. I think it does smell like mint a little bit also. It smells nice. And it looks really nice too. My lips definitely look completely hydrated now. They have that hydrated, juicy look, and it happens so quickly. My lips look a lot more smooth, and it definitely has that nice high shine. And it's kind of like a, what describes this texture is kind of like a thick gel, which is just such a pretty lip gloss. It is a little bit green, but don't let that scare you. It goes on completely clear, and it just feels completely hydrating and relieving of my dry lips. So I am very happy with this. It did exactly what it claimed, exactly what I was expecting, and it looks super pretty. I actually think this might be my new desk lip gloss. So as I'm working from home throughout the day, I like to have a lip gloss that I could just throw on when my lips feel dry, and I think that this will be the perfect version, because then it looks pretty and flattering for those Zoom calls, but then it's also going to be super hydrating, and it's so quick and easy to apply. So I'm really happy with this. What would make it even more perfect, in my personal opinion, is if it did have a tint of color to it. but you can also use this as a lip topper. It would be great for that as well. I seriously have so many great hydrating lip products. I seem to get one pretty much every month in Ipsy, but I use them all the time, so I am not sick of getting these in my boxes. But let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this product if you have tried it out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.